Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Jade and I'm the skin coach and creator of jessicajade.co. I'm also the founder of SUNKISS Organics, which is my organic skincare line. And today we are here to talk about dry winter skin. We all get it. We all get that itchy, flaky, almost immovable skin once the winter time comes, once it's cold outside. And I'm here to give you 6 tips to get that skin right, to get your skin glowing, popping, and beautiful, because you deserve glowing skin all year round. So the way that I maintain healthy glowing skin throughout the year is by focusing on hydrating and strengthening your skin's barrier. This is so extremely important. And the first tip that I'm going to give you right off the bat has to do with cleansing. You want to make sure that you're using cleansers that aren't stripping your skin of all of its natural oils and the natural sebum that it produces. Usually I prefer to stick to a milk cleanser and an oil cleanser because I double cleanse all year round. Oil cleansers are better at breaking up dirt and makeup, while milk-based cleansers or gel-based cleansers are better at breaking up sweat. So I usually I'll combine both of them in my hands and just go to town on my face for about 60 seconds. But I always use an oil and a gel or milk-based cleanser. You don't want to use something that foams if you have natural or normal skin in the winter, because it's only going to be drier. If you do have oily skin and you find that your skin produces a ton of oil throughout the year, regardless of the season, feel free to use a foaming cleanser. But if your skin is normal or if your skin is dry, stay away from foaming cleansers because they will be your downfall. Okay, so the 2 cleansers that I'm currently obsessed with is one, the Glossier, and I'm not sure if you can see that, so I'm just gonna bring it up close. It's the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. So this is a milk and gel cleanser. And it scored about a 3 on the Think Dirty and Environmental Working Groups apps. So it's actually pretty non-toxic in comparison to a lot of the products that are out there. And it really just leaves my face feeling really soft. And normally I'll use that one right after using the SUNKISS Organics facial oil. I use the carrot seed serum oil because I have normal to dry skin. And so I'll apply the carrot seed serum to my face, about 5 to 10 drops, and I'll rub it in thoroughly for about 30 seconds. And then I'll use the milk jelly cleanser from Glossier for another 30 seconds before I wash it off. And my skin feels super supple, super soft, never dry. And that's exactly what you're going for in the winter. The next thing I'm going to recommend that you do is that you drench your skin in toners and essences and serums, because this will allow your skin to just soak up as much hydration as humanly possible. And that's exactly what you need in the winter. You need hydration, you need moisture, you need water on your skin. And so the first thing that I always use is the SUNKISS Organics Aloe Rose Toner. It's super hydrating. It contains just a little bit of witch hazel, but it's mostly rose water and a couple of essential oils and vitamin E. This keeps my skin feeling so freaking soft, and it really prepares your skin for absorbing other products. Talking about absorption, you want to use an essence and a serum that has hyaluronic acid. I use the Hanskin Hyaluron Skin Essence. This thing is amazing. The consistency is really watery, so I'm not sure if you can see that there. It's a really watery consistency, but that's exactly what you want. And just like a little tip, if you didn't know, hyaluronic acid can hold about 1,000 times its weight in water. And so it basically means that anything that you apply to your skin after adding the Hyaluron Skin Essence water from Hanskin is just gonna really soak into your skin and penetrate the skin. It's gonna stay there. It's not just gonna sit on the surface, which is what you wanna avoid, of course. Next, this was a big one. I'm really excited about this product because I've seen a lot of people use it online. A lot of women in my community were using it. This is a Dominican-owned brand, and it's called Skinergy, and I love that name. I think it's so clever and so cute. And this is the Come Correct Serum, and that's exactly what this baby is going to make you do. It has a bit of glycolic acid in there. It has hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It's super moisturizing while also being water-based. I believe it also has aloe vera, which is also really hydrating. And in addition to it being super hydrating, it helps remove dark marks. And I don't know if you can see, but right here, I have a bit of a dark mark, and that's because I suffered a mild injury earlier in the year, and I've been using this product in combination with other products, and it's really lightened that mark. It was a really big scar. It was super dark, and I was a bit nervous that it wouldn't go away, but it did. So thank you, Skinergy. Next up in our skincare combo is moisturize. Moisturize your skin, ladies and gentlemen, please. It is cold out, the air is super dry, and it's extremely important to hydrate your skin. I always use a facial oil and a moisturizer. So the first thing I do is add this, again, the SUNKISS Organics facial oil. It's a multi-purpose product. You can use it as a cleanser like I did in the beginning, but you can also use it as a facial moisturizer. And what this does is that it locks in all of the hydration and all of the water-based, aloe vera-based products that you added before. It locks them in so that they don't come seeping back out of your skin, and so that they actually penetrate your skin. And then again, I have Skinergy Beauty right here. This is their moisturizer. It's called Skin Guardian. They have the cutest names for their products. And again, this is just another product that is, you know, crafted in such an intentional way. It also has hyaluronic acid. It also has jojoba acid oil, and it really makes your skin super soft. It's lightweight, which I love. So you can layer the product if you need a little bit less because you have oily skin. One pump will do. And if you have skin that's a little drier, I use 3 pumps in the winter because I like my face saturated with products so that it feels super hydrated. But that combination of products really allows my skin to feel super soft, super supple, and super moisturized. Okay, so now we're going to exfoliating. This is a topic that is, you know, really debated in the skincare world, and that's because exfoliating can be actually very detrimental to your skin. You can truly break your skin barrier and harm your skin when you're actually trying to make it healthy and have it glow and all of this stuff. So my recommendation to you is to exfoliate, but to be mindful of any product that makes your skin super red, super blotchy, and sensitive in any way. The product that I am currently obsessed with is the Honeymoon Glow Night Serum by Pharmacy. This product is truly one of a kind. It's the first to have AHAs, BHAs, and to use a combination of flower acids to gently exfoliate your skin basically from the inside out, because it penetrates your cells and allows for faster cellular turnover. And that's what you want, because that means your skin is going to be super soft. And I swear to you, you guys, I use this one time and the next day my skin is so incredibly soft. So I try to use it 2 to 3 times a week. I alternate with this night serum and my retinol. I don't use both on the same night, but that really has been allowing my skin to be super soft even in the winter time. Now, if you feel like your skin is just like peeling off and you see a lot of flakiness, I tend to get flakiness right here around the nose. I recommend one thing, and it's a brush that I use while cleansing that allows my skin to like kind of slough off without being too harsh. So the brush that I use is the Pix Noir brush, and I use the gentlest bristles. These are so freaking soft. I don't use the harsh, hard bristles because it only makes your skin irritated, and what you're trying to do is remove dead skin, not damage your skin barrier. And so I'll usually use this brush when I am cleansing, like once I've applied my Glossier and my oil toner serum, and I've, you know, been massaging my face for about 30 seconds or 60 seconds and it's really penetrated, then I'll go in with this and I'll gently do that for another 20 seconds just to try to get rid of any like super dry skin that might be there. The one part of your body that you might be forgetting about is the rest of your body. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but in the winter I am super focused and like zoomed in onto my face and what I can do for my face not to be dry and to be super soft, because I feel like it's so exposed to like the elements when I go outside. But you can't forget your body, mama. You need to put lotion on. And not only that, you need to exfoliate your body as well. I craft in SUNKISS Organics. We make a mint body scrub and a mocha body scrub. They're both amazing. And I like using scrubs right after showering or bathing, because not only does it take off any of that extra dead skin, but it does so while your skin is already wet and your pores are open. So all of the goodness that's in the scrubs actually is able to penetrate your skin, which is what you want, and you begin to lock in moisture even before you get out of the shower, which is a big deal. And then, of course, last but not least, I apply one of my body balms. I make amazing body balms. This is the SUNKISS Organics Lemon Body Balm. It's like a mood lifter in the winter because it has lemon essential oil in it, but I also make it in mint and floral scents if that's more your speed. But it's super rich. A little bit goes a long way, and I usually apply it immediately after pat drying my skin so that it can penetrate, because again, your pores are open when you first get out of the shower, and so you want to apply any oils, any butters, any balms, any lotion immediately after you shower so that it has the best effect. All right, my dears, so we're down to the last 2 tips. I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. This is tip number 6, but I'm giving you one more just because I count myself. But anyway, okay, so in the winter, your skin goes through something called transepidermal water loss. And what this is and what it means is that the water in your skin evaporates. And this happens more often in the winter than in the summer or in the spring because we have our heater on and the air is generally drier in the winter than it is throughout in other seasons. And that's because there's less humidity in the air. And so what you want to do, and this is something that I enjoy doing and that I find really, really works, is having a humidifier. I know this isn't like a lotion, skincare product type of tip, but this is a tip that can actually make a huge difference for you if you're someone who suffers from eczema or psoriasis or just has generally really dry skin in the winter. Get yourself a humidifier. They cost like 20 bucks nowadays, $30 at most. They even sell them as small as this, like tiny little things where you plug it into the wall. But get yourself a humidifier and use it specifically at night because that's when your skin is regenerating and healing itself so that your skin can absorb more water throughout the day because it's just so much drier. Your environment is so much drier, and that seriously impacts your skin. And now, last but not least, if you didn't know this was coming, you don't know me that well, and you need to get to know me because I'm pretty great. Water. Drink water. If you drink a lot of water, drink more water. You're probably still not having enough water. I try to get anywhere from 75 ounces to 1 gallon of water a day. It's kind of a wide range because it depends on whether I'm home or what I'm doing, but I bought myself an 82-ounce water bottle that I keep by my desk, and I fill it up every morning, and I just drink as much water as I possibly can. I find that people tend to drink a lot of water in the summer because they sweat a lot, and so they feel like, oh, I need to replenish myself. But because of transepidermal water loss, you need to be drinking a lot of water in the winter as well because the water in your body is literally evaporating at a much higher rate. And if you aren't hydrated internally and externally, your skin is gonna tell. People can tell. You can tell. And I want you to be as happy and as comfortable in your skin as you can be because that's why I'm here. I'm here to empower you, to heal your skin, using non-toxic products and living a non-toxic lifestyle. And that includes having as much water as you possibly can. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed giving you these 7 dry winter skin tips. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, subscribe, turn on the little bell so that you get notifications when I share more videos. And of course, comment below whatever questions you might have, anything that came to mind while I was speaking. Please leave a comment below. If you love the video, share it, give it a thumbs up. And I love you, mis amores. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you for taking the time to be here with me. And if there's anything else you need to know, let me know below.